Hello beautiful gluebookers. I've got 3 surprise folders of paper ephemera here and I haven't peeked inside yet. One is this thrifted bag of vintage stickers that I found at the thrift store the other day. You might have seen me find it in my thrifting video. And then I've got another, this pretty folder. This is a surprise gift from my cousin, and knowing her, there are probably some thoughtful papers inside for me to use in my glue books. So I can't wait to go through it all. Okay. And then there's this one. This last folder is filled with vintage die-cut scraps. I don't know if you've seen these before. They've been around since the late 1800s and came to the Netherlands mostly from Germany. Here they really took off in the 60s, 70s, 80s and even into the 90s. You'd have a little journal, a so-called pussy album or poetry album, where friends and family wrote you a short poem to remember them by. And along with that poem, these scraps were glued in as decoration. I'm holding a treasure trove right here. I'm Deborah. Welcome back to the collage table. Today's a little different. I'm not glue booking, but going through these surprise paper folders. I'll start with the thrifted stickers, move to the folder my cousin gave me, and finish with the vintage die-cut scraps. I haven't opened any of them yet, so it's all a first look on camera. So I found this bag, paid just €1.50 for it. That's about $1.75 US. The way it is wrapped, I couldn't see inside, just a few corners that I recognized as vintage images, but I don't know if this is more of a boy sticker collection or a girly sticker collection, or maybe a mix of both. Oh, it's wrapped inside another bag. Okay, hey, a Lucy, a funny looking chicken. Well, it's a start, I guess. Okay, let me pull everything out. The bag can go. Where to start? Okay, here's another one of those chickens. This, a green mermaid. This is a strong lion. Okay, this, a bear, somewhat similar to the chicken. Okay. Oh wow, it's so much. Look at these Garbage Pail Kids stickers. They look like them, but these are called sloppy slops. They're not really my style, probably collectible though. Okay, what's this? This is from the Lion King. So I see stickers from the 80s and the 90s. This is a Fanta sticker, also made by Panini. Many of the great sticker collectibles from that era were made by Panini in Italy. Hey, I know this. Blij dat ik rij. Happy that I'm driving. As a young girl, I saw this everywhere. This was a campaign from the 70s, early 80s. I just saw the funny image. I was not aware of the meaning. Now I see that it's from the car driving lobby. It says to stick the sticker on the car window. Okay, funny. What is this? This is another weird Fanta sticker. Another sloppy slop. And then this is different. What is it? A moose? Oh, multiples. Okay, and I see this cat. So this is probably a boy's collection, but maybe the cat will turn it around for me. Okay, there's a bird. Oh, maybe not the pirate flag. Okay, nope, definitely boy sticker collection. They're just going through all these. Okay, this bird is pretty. There's some more sloppies. Probably another Fanta one. A mermaid. Another one. Okay, so there are some treasures to be found here, hopefully. Or maybe this is all treasure to you. Okay, what is this? Global Garden in Zwaanshoek. A little village, I think. So if I would have still be a vintage and antique dealer like I was in the past, I probably would have sold all these stickers on as a lot. Now I'm not sure what to do with them. Some I will use in my glue books obviously, but most don't really fit my aesthetic. It's just a different vibe. Okay, let's just finish going through them. Okay, what is this? Sheraton Place. It's a hotel. Hey, a little Care Bear. Okay, that one snuck in there and it will find its way into my glue books. The little purple turtles too. I do think this is interesting. The peek into the past. 1995. So I think most of these are the sloppy slop stickers. I never was a fan of the Garbage Pail Kids either. Just not my type of humor. Hey, pink Digimon. I might use these in my pink glue book. Is this Virgo, as in the zodiac sign? More of the moose stickers. I might be able to find a use for one of those, but what to do with that many? All these are multiples. Okay, hey, an owl. Heel Piet Casso. Okay, kind of funny. Another one of those. I think we're almost there with the stickers, especially with so many being doubles. Okay, hey, what's this? Wait, let me check it. A robot smelling roses. Okay, one of those Fanta stickers. Okay, let's just move on. Oh, this feels pretty political for a kid's collectible sticker. I don't think you would see that nowadays anymore. The entire sticker company would be cancelled. Okay, what else? This looks fun, very 90s. Okay, going through these final ones. I want to get to my cousin's surprise package. Okay, what's this? Don't know. Air training. Okay. There's another turtle. Sloppy slops. Okay, let's call it. It was a fun surprise package, just not entirely meant for me. Let me get all these stickers out of the way and clear the space. Let's do it. Now it's time. Look at all the pretty flowers on this file folder. It already makes me happy. So again, I don't know what's in here. Oh, there's something stuck. It's a sticker. And it's a cute one. Yes, a cute boba tea sticker. I love it. I'm going to use that. Definitely. Okay, let's put the folder away and let's see what else there is. This croissant feels a bit padded. Oh, this is why. It folds out into 4. I will probably use it somewhere Paris related. That's gonna be fun. Okay, and this, a pink postcard, pretty. I can use it like so, or as a tip-in on a spread. And this one, you rock. Yes, you rock, cousin, thank you. So this looks like a bar beer coaster, and this, oh, a little Amsterdam flag. That's the city I was born in. Hey, here's another one, the Dutch flag and a Danish flag too. She just went to Denmark with her family, so maybe she brought it from there. They are cute. What's this? A flyer from the grocery store for Holiday on Ice. And here's a very special tea wrapper. My cousin knows all about teas and always has the best ones. She definitely understands I can use all these things in my books. That's so nice. Hey, colorful smileys. I'll keep this for when I do another rainbow color book. Yes. Oh, and a sticker book. Oh, first this, a funny looking monkey with some tiny little flowers stuck on. It's adorable. Oh, it was a gift tag. Alright, let's get to this sticker book. It's filled with 50 sheets of home, plants and flower stickers. Oh my, let's do a quick flip through. Look at these. Yes, these are so perfect for me to use on my spreads. These are great. I'm getting very inspired by this. I just want to grab my glue books and start sticking all these in. Look, oh, books too. Yes, lovely. But first I got some more goodies to go through and discover. Oh yes, wow, this is so nice of her to get it for me. And then this is a pretty brown paper bag from a museum store. I'm going to use all of it. And if you're watching, thank you, cousin, for real. I love it. Okay, super excited to unbox and discover these. It's a whole stash of vintage die-cut scraps. Again, I haven't looked through them yet, so we're going to see what surprises are hiding in here together. These roses are a great start. Gorgeous. I don't even know where to start. There are so many. Did I already say that I paid just €2 for this entire folder? That's crazy. One of these sheets is already worth more than that. Whoever priced these had no clue. I think this might be my best thrift find ever. I'm going to look through all of these with you. So, back in the day, kids used to collect these images and paste them into so-called pussy albums, like poetry albums. Kind of like friendship books where friends and relatives wrote short poems, wishes, or drawings for each other. So, okay, wait. Let me move all these to the side so you can see each sheet better. Look, this is better, right? It makes these detailed images stand out much more. Let's see, was this one the same? No, but similar. Okay, so cute, little flower fairies. These were printed in England. So all these images are like the old school version of stickers with flowers, angels and animals. Oh, this is still in very old plastic. It feels fragile almost. Let's be careful. Let's take these out. These are colorful. Look how fun these are. Oh, I wish I still had my poetry album. It was blue and it had a cat on the cover. Check this lady duck out. Yes, she's going into one of my glue books. Okay, so help me out here. What do I do with all these images? Do I use them in my collages, or do I keep them as is and just treasure them? Oh, look at these birds. These images are larger than average, and they're still sealed in the original packaging. Let's see, here's a Lucy. I could use this in my glue book without feeling sort of, what is it, guilty, I guess? Yes. And oh, these roses are so pretty. But do I separate them and glue them? I'm not sure if I can. Would you? Maybe a sheet like this where someone already removed an image from? Look how detailed these images are. So wonderful. I really never seen so many together in one lot. No. Oh my. Look, and this sheet has all cute anthropomorphic animals. Also has a few images missing. So maybe more birds. I love the colors on these. Okay, so I'm not showing all these to make anyone jealous, okay? I just love them so much and I want to share my excitement and show how pretty they are. Here's a few more single ones. Oh, and look, a sheet of letters. I'm a font lover, so this is right up my alley. Can't make my name, but I can make my son's name, Otis. Yes, that's fun. Oh, butterflies. Look how gorgeous. Oh, and by the way, if I sound a little off today, I have a bit of a cold with the seasons changing, but I'm working through it, no worries. This partial sheet has some fun ones. I might use them. Oh, fairy tale images. Little Red Riding Hood, the whole story. That's nice. Little rose, more pretty flowers. Yes, I like them. And these, look how cute. You could use these on a card when someone just had a baby. So very special. And what's this? These look a little newer, maybe 1980s. Oh, hey, this is the logo of the V&D, a now out of business Dutch department store. I actually remember buying my die-cut images at that store. Oh my, that's such a long time ago. Okay, what else? This one has a cardboard protector and some more on the other side. Look, these images, they feel thicker, but are they thicker than usual or are there just a whole lot of sheets in there? Okay, so that's just one, but these, no, look, they are so many. Wow, why am I blessed with all of these? If I was still living in the US, I would have shared them and sent them out to all of you, my viewers, but now being in the Netherlands, shipping just a sheet like this would be so expensive. But maybe if I ever reach a high milestone amount of subscribers, or maybe when I turn 50 next summer. Okay, I will just have to figure out how I will do that. These I recognize. Vera de Mouse by the Dutch nature illustrator Marjolein Bastin. Very 1980s. More flower fairies. Oh, there's 2 sheets. Nice. Oh, look, these are also from the V&D. Okay, so there's a little bit more. Here's a few singles. Let's see. Oh, this one. Look, this one is tiny with glitter. Red flowers also with glitter. Some other ones. This doggy is cute. As little girls, we considered the ones with glitter extra special, obviously. Okay, let's move these out of the way. Here's some more Vera de Muis images. Okay, let's check. Oh, yes, they're different from these. That's nice. And this is also Marjolein Bastin, just other animals. You see, late 80s. Looks like there's a second sheet behind this. Yes, here, Marjolein Bastin poetry images. So these go together. Look at how great these animals are drawn. It's just amazing. Okay, what's left here? These look a little bit more old-fashioned, farm-style images. There's an old price tag, 35 cents. Old Dutch guilder cents probably. And then I have these. Oh, there's multiple sheets in here. So more to look at. Okay, let's go through these. This is another partial sheet. Okay, wait, let's make some space here. Yes. Like this, so you can see them better. And then these, are these all partial sheets maybe? And some loose images. Okay, let's look at them. This is cute. Also cute. This is pretty. And then this. Oh, this one. Look, there's a cat. Oh, look, there's a fairy riding the back of a deer. Okay. Make space, be careful. Hey, is that Tigger? And then this one. These. This is Huey, Dewey, and Louie. I'm not a Donald Duck fan, but I know them. This one is pretty too. Yes. Oh, some more butterflies. Oh, I love them. Let's fold it open. Oh, look, you can cut and fold these so you can position them onto flowers and such. That's nice. Making them 3D. Okay, I have a few more. These kids. And then these people. Look at all these vintage dresses. Gives you a peek into old fashion here. Wonderful. Flowers. Some children playing. They're also lovely. Look. And then here some more kids. Yeah, a little doggy too. And these, a few have images missing, glued into someone's poetry book probably. Here, one in the corner has been used. These are nice. Hey, another fairy tale sheet. Oh, it's Snow White. Classic, very cute. One image missing. Okay, now this is the final packet. Let's see what's inside. Hey, there's some boys playing soccer. Boy images are more rare. And then there's a sheet of angels. Kind of funny looking. More children images. Some older ones, these. And then I have another one. Look, pretty angels. And then finally this large Victorian style couple. For now, thank you so much for watching. Take care, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Till next time, bye!